What's up? Let's get started. Now, how do you change the weight value of your font will primarily depend on what type of font you're actually using. If you're using a custom installed font, then you probably already know how to change the weight value of your font. So in this video, I'm not going to show you that. But if you're using the system font or the default font, then you can use one of these options here. The first option, which is the shorthand version, because it has the weight value as part of the function name, and all you have to do is provide the point size or the font size as the argument to that function. And the second option is just like option 1, because you still have to provide the point size, but now you also have to provide the weight value as one of the arguments to the function, as you can see right here. Now, the third option you can use if you're using one of the pre-installed fonts on iOS. As you can see, just like option 1 and 2, you still have to provide the point size as the argument to the initialization function, but you also have to provide the font name, which includes the weight value as one of the arguments. And there you go. Those are the 3 different ways you can use to change the weight value of a font. Now, as a bonus tip, as you can see from option 3, you have to provide the font name as a string value. Chances are you don't know all of the string values for all of the pre-installed fonts. And so an online resource you can use to get the string value is called iOS Fonts. And as you can see, all you have to do from here is quickly search from any font that you're using, copy its name, including the weight value, and go back to your project and paste it right here. There you go. Those are the 3 different ways, plus the bonus on how you can change the weight value of your font. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment below giving advice on the next video you would like to see.